Solar electric is a way to make your own power. The panels that you see behind me are generating electricity from the sun to be converted to power for this building. And these systems are available for residential customers as well as commercial customers. When a customer buys a solar electric system, there are a certain number of benefits available. For instance, there's a 30% federal tax credit. In the state of New Hampshire, there's also a rebate. As a commercial customer, there are a couple different ways to get involved in solar electricity. You could buy a system like this from my company and own it, pay for the minimum amount of maintenance involved, but you get the tax credits and the state rebates, and you'd immediately start saving on your electric bill. As a matter of fact, your electric bill would pretty much disappear. Or you could do what's called a power purchase agreement. In this case, this customer signed an agreement with my company whereby we bought the system and we maintain it, and we bill him at a discounted power rate. So without spending any money, he immediately starts saving on his electric bill, and we can do that for the next 25 or 30 years. If you're a town or municipality who wants to do solar electric, a power purchase agreement like was done here is a perfect opportunity. Because there's a 30% federal tax credit involved in these solar systems, municipalities don't pay taxes, they can't get the credit. So a company like mine buys the system and installs it and charges the town for power, and we take the tax credits, making this whole thing work for towns because the system will cost them less. Then at the end of 6 years or more, if the town wants to buy the system, it costs a lot less to buy because we've already taken the tax credits. I'm actually convinced that from a consumer standpoint that solar electric is a really interesting retirement plan because the cost of energy is constantly increasing. There's no reason to think that the cost of electricity or oil or anything else is going to get less expensive. That becomes a bigger and bigger piece of your retirement money, and doing something like this eliminates that as an issue. You've invested it in a lifetime's worth of power that's going to see you through your retirement.